How to create a minimalistic Android home screen. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such cluttery home screen on Android devices due to various applications being on your device or a lot of widgets available on your device which you have previously added, and now to create a minimalistic home screen inside Android, just focus on a clean design by removing unnecessary icons or widgets and using a simple wallpaper rather than a complex wallpaper. So you can go for a plain design, and you can also utilize a launcher that allows for the customization and organization, such as Nova Launcher Prime, or you can also use the Niagara Launcher or enabling the simple view option on Pixel devices. So you can also actually organize your applications into a logical folder based on their functions. For example, as I've done over here, so these are my social applications. So you can actually organize all of your cluttered applications inside one particular folder like this, so that you can easily view and access each one of them individually without having to look out for hectically. And that's how you can easily keep your Android home screen with a minimalistic design with a simple and clean environment. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.